Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Christine with gaugegirltraining, an online meal planning and coaching service. I'm a food scientist and chemical engineer, and in today's video, we are going to talk about one simple act that can boost your metabolism. So let's get started. So if you have been struggling to lose body fat, whether it's due to low motivation, a busy lifestyle, lack of exercise, you are not alone. And when that happens, it can be very, very challenging to drop body fat. The good news is that there is new research out that shows that there is one simple, easy to implement tip that everybody can do today to help boost your metabolism. So according to a study done in Oregon State University in the Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise, even one single exercise session performed at a moderate intensity, which is 65% of your maximum effort, can boost metabolic function. So mitochondria are the parts of the cell that are responsible for cellular respiration, which means they are the part that is responsible for actually burning fuel. Whether you're burning sugars, whether you're burning fat, mitochondria is the section of your cell that is going to make that happen. And the awesome news about this study is that it was conducted in sedentary individuals, where we tend to see a lot of these research studies conducted in elite athletes. But what we found was that only moderate intensity exercise at 65% of your maximum effort is substantial enough to cause a boost in the mitochondrial function. So what that means is the data has shown that there was a 12 to 13% increase in mitochondrial function, and this was measured by biopsies on the individual's muscles on the day that they're doing the workout, 15 minutes after, versus a rest day. We saw a 12 to 13% increase in individuals fueled by fat, 14 to 17% increase in individuals fueled by carbs, which is virtually the same. It's not statistically significant to be different. But what that's saying is we're talking about, let's just say, an average of 14% increase in the mitochondria's ability to burn the fuel that it is using, even beyond the time you are just doing that. So what we're talking about is an increase in the overall mitochondria's ability to burn fuel even when you are not working out. And the great news is that this data is true for sedentary individuals. So if you are not an elite athlete, if you haven't been in the gym regularly, if you've been on a hiatus, you guys, exercise every day. And even just moderate bouts of exercise, 65% of max capacity, you guys, will make a difference. So if you want to boost your metabolism, exercise will make a big difference. If you need help, if you need workout plans for your body type, you want to know more specifics on what type of workouts to do, now is a great time to join the gaugegirltraining 28-day end of summer challenge. The link will be below to sign up. If you have any questions or any topics you'd like to see in future videos, please comment below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.